Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts. Today we got a doozy for you. Why are my new vinyl windows turning yellow and how can I prevent that? Let's get into it. So you've got your new windows. You think your windows are dirty, so you go up to them and you're trying to clean them off, and no matter what you do, you can't get the discoloration off. You think it's dirt, but it's not dirt, it's yellowing. The vinyl itself is yellowing. The thing about cheap vinyl versus great vinyl, you've probably seen my videos talking about this. Not all vinyl windows are created equal. There is an element in the vinyl that we sell. It's called titanium dioxide. And that titanium dioxide goes right into the blend in the beads before you have actual extruded vinyl window frames. That will keep from yellowing. It'll keep the vinyl from turning yellow. Because God forbid, you have your brand new windows and only a year or two later, you can't get them clean on the outside and you are very upset because you spent great money on them and now they are starting to look very, very bad. Now, you're not gonna get a beautiful window and it not have titanium dioxide. Window producers, window manufacturers that have a great name will have that in the blend. It's automatic. But there are some window manufacturers, even locally here in California, that will build their windows using materials from across the seas. And when they receive that, they can build a white vinyl window, a tan vinyl window, get it all packaged up, put some low-E glass in there, and install it in your house. And then you may have issues like this. The one thing I can say, if you do have vinyl windows that are yellowing and you can't get that off, you can try sanding it. Soak your windows, very, very fine sand, and sand them down. That is a Band-Aid because you're taking off the very, very surface of the window. This is something that there is no cure for, okay? It's just to try to help mitigate it a little bit. It's gonna come right back. The only thing that you can do to prevent it is make sure that the sun is not hitting the window. The sun, the UV rays, are beating on that window frame and it's turning it yellow. A shade over the top of the windows. You just went and bought new windows. Why do you want to put a drop shade in front of your new window? That's kind of a bummer, right? That's why you bought the windows, so that way the low-E coatings can protect your interiors of the house. Now you're trying to protect the exterior of your new window. And when people say, oh, vinyl windows are cheap, there are some very cheap garbage vinyl windows. Yes, 100%. And I do not sell that. And I don't want you to buy that. Always look for the brand names that you normally hear, Pella, Milgard, Anlin, there's so many of them. And they're gonna have titanium dioxide in the blends. They make their windows from virgin vinyl. You've never heard that term? That's the term where you're not taking vinyl, chopping it up, reusing it, or recycling it to build another window. That's not the same. The few things that you can do to try to prevent it is gonna be like an awning. If you put a tree somewhere in front, you're trying to get the sun to not hit the window. Or you replace all the windows. And that's why I make these videos, because you spent thousands and now you gotta take them all out and spend thousands more to get the right window. Okay guys, I hope that helps, but make it a great day. Before you click off this video, if you live in the Ventura, LA, or Dallas-Fort Worth area and you are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to the website, click on the request. The link is down below in the descriptions. I will reach out to you. Thank you guys so much.